Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how to change the country in your Google account probably very easily. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes, and also do not forget to write comments after watching the video. And let's get on with the topic. Please open Google on your phone. Then in the top right corner, click on your Google profile picture. Then Account Management. Now select Personal Info. And here scroll down until you find a section called Address. And here you'll need to click right here. This will take you to your home address, and here you'll be able to change your country. You can delete, all the information that's in here, and enter like something else that you want. And then make sure you don't forget to click Save. This is how you will change your country in your Google account. Friends, I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.